Alright y'all, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel with Stock Lock Sunday, and the lock we have in front of us is a Master Lock Python. I was out at the Lowe's just recently, and I came across this odd looking cable lock, and I just, you know me, I had to have it. Had to check it out. So we're going to check it out. But yeah, it's a Python. I think it's kind of cool. But yeah, I know it's a Master Lock. It's probably not the best of locks, but it is cool in the way that it's a long 8-foot cable. Now these are, you know, cables can be cut quite easily. We know that, but it's going to keep honest people honest. So it does have kind of a, almost like an automotive looking, lock on it here with the shutter. Kind of keeps the dirt out, I guess. But yeah, some kind of ratcheting action, so you can kind of loop it through things. They show it like holding a ladder on top of a truck, lace it through there. So kind of a cool idea. This one here was just over 20 bucks at my local Lowe's at time of purchase. So, you know, it is what it is. So I do want to, we can probably jack with the lock while it's like this, but I want to check it out further. So I'm going to cut it on out of here. Let me grab some trusty cutters and start popping some of these off here. That one, that one, that one. Okay. Might have to go a little further. Let me get my bionic scissors. Actually, these shears right here would probably go through that cable with a little bit of time. I'm not sure. These would. So let's get it out of here the rest of the way if we can. Oh my goodness, it's right on through the cardboard. What, are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Dear Lord. My goodness. Probably took longer to get the package off of it than it does to pick the damn thing. Alright, get some of this garbage out of the way. Good grief. Alright, so there is the key. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that key. Oh. I mean, why bother putting any cuts in it, really? Get a close-up on that, I hope. My goodness. Oh well, okay. So there it is. There's the lock. Looks like you rotate it 90 degrees so you can cinch it up like that. Okay. Oh, I see. So you can only cinch it, and to release it you go full 180. I see. Alright, let me see if I can get that off of there. Boy, I'll tell you what, the packaging's kind of a joke. I wanted to see if it came all the way out. Okay, it doesn't. So it does have a stop. Alright, so yeah, not real excited about it once I seen that key. Wow. Alright, so let's attack that lock real quick. Let me get a tension tool, something that'll keep that gate open. That ought to work right there. And you know what? Since that key looks so bad, although whether we've seen it or not, it is a master lock. Let me just grab a, I think that's the City Rake by Praxis, Dangerfield Praxis. And let's just see if that's going to give it. It shouldn't. There it is. Good grief. Yeah. So, okay, and it locks back up that way. So let me see if it'll unlock with the key or if we have to pick it back. Nope. Alright. Alrighty. Good grief. So, let's say the rake didn't work. Let's say it actually had decent bitting. What about single pin picking it? Let me just grab one of my Southords. Get on the camera. Let's just see. Good grief. Alright, so yeah, leave it to master lock. The reason I was at the store is I was picking up one of their 100-year anniversary locks that we just seen recently on Lock Picking Lawyers channel, and I seen this and I just had to have it. I still think the concept is cool because you can kind of cinch it up to whatever length you want and lock it back down. But yeah, that lock, I got to give that a Big Al's thumb down on that one. All right, so that's it. That's the Master Lock Python. Good grief. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. I promise better locks than this in the future. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down there. Thank you very much. So we're back for a minute. After a little bit of a struggle, I realized you just got to really give that thing a pretty good yank to get it out of there. I mean, it's just made so poorly. The end piece is not straight in line with the rest of the cable, so it gets stuck in there. We got plastic just floating around everywhere on this thing. Yeah, I'm shocked. That's a real letdown, but it is Master Lock. So anyways, that's it. Thank you.